Welcome to our guide on what to do if your check is bounced in Sri Lanka. It's a common issue, and we're here to explain your legal options. Many believe check bounce cases are only civil matters, but Sri Lankan law provides both civil and criminal options. Let's break down the process simply. First, let's define what a dishonored check is and why banks refuse payment. A check is dishonored when the bank refuses to pay the amount, essentially returning it unpaid. The most common reasons for a check bounce include insufficient funds, the account being closed, or a stop payment instruction being issued. When this happens, the bank will issue you a return slip or memo, which is a crucial document. Now let's look at the legal foundation governing checks in Sri Lanka. Checks are legally governed by the Bills of Exchange Ordinance, which outlines your rights as the holder. If a check isn't paid, you have the right to take legal action directly against the issuer. The check itself serves as strong legal evidence in court. Yes, sometimes it is. Under the Penal Code, issuing a check with dishonest intent, knowing there are insufficient funds, can be considered cheating. However, dishonest intention must be proven. What if the bounced check was issued by a company? The company is primarily responsible, but in certain situations, directors or responsible officers can also be held legally liable. You can file a criminal complaint in the Magistrate's court under relevant provisions, or file a separate civil case to recover your money. When dealing with authorities, there are specific protocols to be aware of. Police officers cannot legally refuse to accept or record your complaint about a bounced check. They must record it, even if they advise you on the best legal approach. If your check bounces, immediately keep all relevant documents and make sure you obtain the official bank return memo. It is vital to consult a lawyer quickly to decide on the best course of action and to ensure you act within any applicable time limits. A dishonored check is a serious legal matter in Sri Lanka. Remember, the law provides strong protection and remedies. Take legal advice and proceed through the correct court procedure.